po dyan. Kaya lang naman po namin po. Hindi, kondisyon. Hindi, ito kanyang kapalit o buwan sa iyong magbibigay ng kondisyon. Yes, so sino ba yung matitira dyan? Siya po yung
original financial because I am from Antique and it happens that I married one of the beautiful members of your clan. And I am proud that I am with this family. Okay? Okay, people? You know what? I work in San Lazaro for almost 9 years as a nurse. And one of the members of your family.
Ako yun, tinulungan niya, si Alvin mo! Alvin, ka! Laki mo na!
Me in San Lazaro Hospital. So people, allow me to inspire you through the words of the living God. Can I read a portion of the Bible from the writings of Joshua 24? Joshua 24. This is what the Lord is telling to us. Okay, people? So I gave you a land on which you did not toil, and cities you did not build, and you live in them. Para sa akon, servisyon akon ang buwi nga Diyos. Huwag ka pamatay. Hello? Okay. There is si Willie ni sa RPN, Channel 9.
Wala kayong makamay!
Si Lawrence, up. Lawrence, dali. Forward. Si Lawrence. Ari. Ano ni? Graduate sa Baguio. Gani kung nagkadto ka mo sa Baguio, pag pumunta tayo ng Baguio, i-host tayo ni Lawrence together with his father, si Auntie. And we have seaman. Sino ang seaman dali? Sino ang mga seaman? Up ang mga seaman! Up! Ara! Gold! Dali, doha. Ang pamimalay mo?
Ton!
Dali!
Mga bata ni Willie!
Tayo, yung nasa ilalim ni Willie.
Makinig! Mga bata
Dali
ni
na!
Willie!
Yung included sa panimalay ni Willie. Okay. Katatapos lang ni Tony ng nursing. And he will be taking up his board examination.
Yan!
Si Teresa and Anton, up from Mindanao. And Las Piñas. Dali, together with your family. Dali. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Ito. Okay. Hindi ka mo magpambok. Amuni. Sino diri ang mangunguma? Mangunguma ang tutuod diya. Subong. Sino? Who are the farmers who till the land? Okay. Farmers. Okay. Okay. Fishermen. What about fishermen? Okay. Belen. See the changes. Si Belen, upod ko rin nagkanto. Belen was with me. Way back 13 years, or more than that. More than 13 years. Sa pagpunta ng Maynila. You know what? Si Belen is an industrious kind of person. Sa noong una, inuutusan ko lang si Belen, can you can you do me a favor, Belen? And you know what, guys? Bit ni Belen together with Inday, yung timba. Oh, nagapasan sang balde. Okay? Hair big load. Pero soong, din ka na ganin ni Belen makita.
Sa ulo.
Okay? What is the very reason why there is, thank you, Belen, why there is a call? Okay? What is the very reason? Willie, ba't-ari ka?
Kaya ako nandito dahil sa reunion ng mga galatsyat.
Anong rason?
Para magkita-kita tayo lahat at magkakakilala.
Okay.
Kabisyon. Maganda yun kasi iba yung tayo lahat magkita-kita. Katulad ko nung araw, nagkaroon